Mövenpick Hotel Jumeirah Lakes Towers offers modern rooms with free Wi-Fi. The hotel features a fully equipped gym, an outdoor pool and a spa. Each room offers views of lakes and Dubai Marina skyline, a flat-screen TV, tea and coffee making facilities, a spacious bathroom with a combination of bathtub and rainfall shower. The hotel boasts several dining options including the urban bar and kitchen. Guests can indulge in an open kitchen ambience in Nosh restaurant with themed nights buffet and a la carte menu. At an additional charge, Mövenpick Hotel Jumeirah Lakes Towers features access to an exclusive beach, Riva Beach Club, a luxury and serene escape located on the Palm Jumeirah. Certain room types offer this feature on complimentary basis. It is located 750 yards from Jumeirah Lakes Towers metro station. Dubai Marina Mall is 3.4 miles away. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. Tripeefy, trips made easy. Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.